ChatGPT 5.4 is now available. ChatGPT 5.4 is the most capable and efficient model for professional work across the API, Codex, and ChatGPT. It completes complex tasks with less back and forth, while using significantly fewer tokens than ChatGPT 5.2. ChatGPT 5.4 combines the industry-leading coding capabilities of ChatGPT 5.3 Codex with stronger performance on long-running tasks, improved front-end user interface generation, and built-in computer use. It also works seamlessly across tools. It can analyze and create spreadsheets, presentations, and documents. This makes it ideal for domains like financial services, data analysis, and customer support. To get the most out of ChatGPT 5.4, review the API prompting guide and the migration guide. Here is how ChatGPT 5.4 performs across key capabilities. In knowledge work, ChatGPT 5.4 delivers more consistent and polished results on real-world tasks that matter to professionals. On the GDP-Val benchmark, ChatGPT 5.4 achieves a new state-of-the-art result, matching or exceeding industry professionals in 83% of comparisons. ChatGPT 5.2 achieves 71%. In computer use and vision, ChatGPT 5.4 introduces native computer use and achieves 75% on OS World Verified. ChatGPT 5.2 achieved 37.9%. This makes ChatGPT 5.4 the best model for building computer operating agents. Its vision capabilities are also greatly improved, especially with the new original detail parameter available in the API. In coding, ChatGPT 5.4 is the strongest coding model so far. It matches or outperforms ChatGPT 5.3 Codex on SWE Bench Pro with lower latency. It also features a larger context window of 1 million tokens. This enables longer running tasks where the model can use tools, iterate, and verify its work. In tool use, ChatGPT 5.4 significantly improves how models work with external tools. It introduces tool search, allowing models to dynamically load tools into context without breaking cache. It also improves tool calling performance across reasoning efforts, particularly for low latency cases where reasoning is disabled. In web search, ChatGPT 5.4 is better at agentic browsing. On BrowseComp, which measures how well AI agents persistently browse the web to find hard-to-locate information, ChatGPT 5.4 improves by 17 percentage points over ChatGPT 5.2, ChatGPT 5.4. Pro sets a new state-of-the-art score of 89.3%. Overall, ChatGPT 5.4 is more autonomous, more efficient, stronger at coding, better at computer use, more capable at browsing, and equipped for enterprise-scale workflows. The dawn of ChatGPT 5.4, a new benchmark for professional autonomy. The landscape of artificial intelligence has shifted once again with the official release of ChatGPT 5.4. This iteration is not just a marginal update. It represents the most capable and efficient model ever designed for professional workflows across the API, Codex, and ChatGPT interfaces. ChatGPT 5.4 is engineered to tackle complex, multi-step tasks with significantly less back and forth. Utilizing a refined architecture that consumes fewer tokens than its predecessor, ChatGPT 5.2, without sacrificing depth. A unified powerhouse for industry. ChatGPT 5.4 represents a massive convergence of specialized intelligence. By combining the industry-leading coding prowess of ChatGPT 5.3 Codex with enhanced performance on long-running tasks, this model serves as a singular solution for high-level technical work. It introduces built-in computer use and vastly improved front-end user interface generation, allowing it to work seamlessly across digital environments. Whether it is analyzing intricate financial spreadsheets, generating professional presentations, or drafting legal documents, ChatGPT 5.4 is purpose-built for high-stakes domains like financial services, data analysis, and enterprise customer support. To ensure a smooth transition, developers and power users should consult the latest API prompting and migration guides to leverage these new efficiencies. Dominating knowledge work and reasoning. In the realm of knowledge work, ChatGPT 5.4 delivers results that are both more consistent and more polished. On the rigorous GDP-Val benchmark, a metric designed to test AI against real-world professional tasks, ChatGPT 5.4 has set a new state-of-the-art record. It matches or exceeds the performance of industry professionals in 83% of comparisons, a staggering jump from the 71% achieved by ChatGPT 5.2. This ensures that the model is not just providing information, but is performing at the level of a high-tier subject matter expert. Vision and native computer use. One of the most transformative leaps in this version is the introduction of native computer use. On the OS World Verified benchmark, ChatGPT 5.4 achieved a score of 75%, nearly doubling the 37.9% score of ChatGPT 5.2. This makes it the premier model for building autonomous computer operating agents. These capabilities are bolstered by a revamped vision system, featuring a new original detail parameter in the API that allows the model to perceive and interact with complex visual interfaces with unprecedented clarity. Unrivaled coding and massive context. For developers, ChatGPT 5.4 stands as the strongest coding model produced to date. It matches or outperforms ChatGPT 5.3 codecs on the SWE Bench Pro benchmark while maintaining significantly lower latency. Perhaps most impressive is the expanded context window, which now supports up to 1 million tokens. This allows the model to ingest entire code bases, iterate through complex debugging cycles, and verify its own work over long-running sessions without losing track of the initial objective. Dynamic tool integration and agentic browsing. Tool use has been completely reimagined. ChatGPT 5.4 introduces Tool Search, a feature that allows the model to dynamically load external tools into its context without breaking the system cache. This leads to faster, more reliable reasoning, particularly in low-latency environments. Furthermore, the model's ability to navigate the open web has reached a new peak. On BrowseCom, which measures an agent's ability to persistently search for hard-to-locate information, ChatGPT 5.4 shows a 17% improvement over the previous generation. The ChatGPT 5.4 Pro variant sets the gold standard with a state-of-the-art score of 89.3%, the future of enterprise workflow. Ultimately, ChatGPT 5.4 is more than just a chatbot. It is an autonomous partner. It is more efficient, stronger at coding, more adept at navigating computer interfaces, and fully equipped for the scale of modern enterprise workflows. It is designed to work where you work with the precision and speed required by the modern world.